Hi everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. I am Murtaza guys and I am here to help you learn Python from the very basics to advanced topics. And today we will start with understanding variables and how to print them in Python. So let's dive in. First, we need to install Python. Simply go to Google and search download Python. And this is the official website python.org. Download it from here and install it. I have already installed it, and after that download another software. I will search download VS Code, and this is the official website. Download it from for your device and install it. Also, don't forget to check these boxes while installing these two softwares. Now go to the folder where we will create our Python files and open this in code, VS Code. Here first we need to install the Python extension. Search for Python and install this Python extension. I have already installed it. Now close it, and here we can create our first Python file. You can right click and create new file, or just click here and name the file. I will name it, let's say 01 underscore variables.py, because we are going to learn variables in this video. Now let's write a code. You don't have to understand now, just watch. So this is the code. If we run this code, you see Trump is in the output. Now let's understand it. Let's say A is a jar, and inside this jar this is a chocolate. You understand, right? This, let's say this is a chocolate and this is a jar, and we put this chocolate inside this jar, and after few days if we want to check what's inside this jar, by that I mean this print function, we are going to see what's inside this jar, and when we print this jar again we see what's inside that. So here the jar is called the variable, and this is the value of this variable. We have different types of values. This is a string. We can add numbers or other types, but we will discuss them in other videos. Now let's talk about comments. Wait a sec. So comments are notes we can write in our code to explain what it does. They start with a hash sign. Anything after the hash will not be executed as part of the program. It's just for us to read and understand. Now let's understand this. First I will write an example. Let's say a equals to 3, b equals to 4, and let's say print a plus b, and here we'll add a comment. Now let's say this sums two numbers, and let's print it. So there you go. So here the first print is this Trump and the second one is this 7. So now we can't see this anywhere in our output, so we can say this does nothing in our output. So this is how we write comment in our code. If you learned something from this video and want to continue your Python journey with us, hit that subscribe button now, and see you in the next one. Bye.